Oh my god, did I already tell you how stupid I am? Oh my god. I just recorded a video and this is what happened. I have a scene in OBS. I had because I deleted this piece of crap. I had a scene that just captures Ableton window. No plugins, just Ableton window. So every single plugin that I used in the song was not on the screen. Only Ableton. Like what the hell? I forgot to turn that off. So I'm sorry, but I'm just fucking dumb. Let's go with the video. Gentlemen and ladies and gentlemen, welcome in the production channel on YouTube, not on TV. Today we are trying to do something different finally. I'm kind of sick of future bass and there was a lot of people saying that, right, it is just flipping boring. I'm falling asleep while watching your future bass production videos. So today we're gonna be switching to a, I guess, trap or something. So, for the people who are new on this channel, make sure to size in that subscribe button. Also, for the next 5 years, I will be doing a contest. If you subscribe to this channel, you will win a PS5 Pro. But also, if you're from Poland, you will win Skrzewka Wódki, which is kind of cool too. I guess that's even better. USA is more like a gamers community, where Poland and Russia is more like a vodka community. So let's start. I was exporting samples. I know it's getting very boring, but I have to say that. I was exporting samples and sounds and I found this one and I put it into a new project. I'm like, holy shit, that's sick. So I'm like, let's put a kick here. And I was like, oh, that sounds insane. It's a weird sound. It's a Serum, of course. This OTT here. With a release on 0. So I want to do put like an 808 underneath that. Oh, this tonal one is gonna be sick. Ooh. Just do like this. Let's go to heavy, super heavy drum kit. Let's pick some hi-hats. This is really cool. I'm really happy I made this pack because now whenever I need some drums, I just open this pack and I can find whatever I want. Like literally, this is my go-to sample pack for drums. Cool. Let's make this one quieter. The doom. Okay, I'm gonna spice it up using some open hi-hats. Oh, this one's gonna be cool. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna put these guys right here to do a little, like a variation. And on this part, I'm just gonna keep the kick and snare only. Some claps. This one is gonna work. There has to be a... Let's group these and put a free clip on them. Cool, sounds pretty good. Then I'm just gonna duplicate this here. Also, I will need side chaining, of course, but I need a bigger kick to do like a pre kick. Oh, maybe like this. This one maybe? Put here. Pretty good. Oh, I know. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Or like a beep. I hear a beep outside, literally. Yeah, like this one. Yeah, something like that. Let's take this one. Also, I need one more thing. See, drums take a lot of time to make. Drum fill, 150. Now we're gonna process this sound. First of all, I'm just gonna put OTT. Ooh. So let's do something like that. Let's just put thermal on this. This is sick plugin. Oof. Yeah, but I kind of want like a general distortion. Just distortion. Let's use a Saturn for this. Yeah, I got some high frequency. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's put 808. Get some 808s from Project X, maybe? Maybe this one? Let's see. What? Ooh, hey. Wee. I don't like this fill. Better. It's pretty interesting. This is crazy. I'm gonna put another thermal. Let's see. Different presets. This is crazy. Yeah, let's use one of the presets. Okay, now we need some layers. As you can see, I'm working on a couple of sample packs. Put a reverb on this. Let's automate the reverb. Oh, I'm stupid as hell. There's no sidechain. I did it again. I even said that I need sidechain. So these are ghost kicks. This one and this one especially. Like I'm not gonna be sidechaining them. That can be a cool sound. OTT. Then thermal. What? What is happening here? Ooh. Frequency shifter on this? Oh, maybe let's do another full modulation. Let's use a auto filter with this automation like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, one of the tricks I really like to do is to use a transient shaper, like boost the attack like crazy and limit with the... that doesn't fit too well. And like... Wait, what is creating this pitch automation? This guy. Oh, we can use transient shaper. I want this to be more snappy. Let's put something on. Let's put thermal again. It does sound better every single time I put this thermal on the sound. And put reverb on this as well. Yeah, I want a reverb automation. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Okay, let's put some more samples. I think we can put something here, even if there's this beep noise, we can replace that. What's cool about it is that the sound now, if we switch a preset, are gonna sound probably sick and much more differently because we are using this effect chain. What is Sheep Shop? Ooh. That's pretty crazy. Let's put this guy here. That is super cool. Hell yeah. Damn, that fart sounds sick. Yeah, we can stop playing. Can raise this in volume. This one sounds pretty good. We need a layer for this one without cutting so much low end. That's what it means, exactly. This is a messy sound. Yeah, we don't need this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, this Saturn, maybe not without it. Yeah, a little bit of the keys change. How about this? Let's use this guy. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Can they fix that already? The snapping to the grid is so stupid. Oh, we need one more thing. A classic reverse kick. Okay, we're gonna need to do a little bit of the volume automations because these guys are not supposed to be playing in certain moments. And here, like when they're not playing, there's no need for them to play. Like there's no need for the tail to, you know, for them. Unless it sounds sick. Yeah, in this case it does. Because there's this cool glitch. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, exactly. I want this to be quiet here. Maybe not. Yeah, like this automation, I guess that's gonna be all in these places. Okay, do we need more or something? Where do I have this? Warning. Whoa. Sighting that subscribe button. But with some sick post-processing, let's copy that. Sighting that subscribe button. Oh, because of the frequency. Sighting that subscribe button. Sighting that subscribe button. Okay. That subscribe button. Yeah, and make it, oh my god, make it, oh my god. This one, super good. Okay, let's take a listen. Oh wait, oh my god, this is all playing all the time. It's so annoying. Sighting that subscribe button. Damn. Wait, let me see something. Damn. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you wanna grab super heavy drum kit, the link is in the description. Highly recommend that. Really cool sound. 1,000 drums. If you wanna grab other packs, go ahead. Signing up, signing in, and signing off. Peace. Oh, and also sighting that subscribe button, as I said, because I'm giving away PS5s and Xfer vodkas. See ya. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sighting that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.